It's time to train insane or forever remain the same. A culture of training creates a culture of success. Man, what culture do you want in your dealership? It's time to turn those mundane sales meetings into powerful skill development sessions that deliver the results you deserve.
Just the venue itself, right off the bat, I really liked the way that it was set up. It's at Top Golf here. I really liked doing something active, gets your endorphins up, you get excited. Once you go back into the second half of the training, you're energized.
In this workshop, we're going to break down 3 key areas. Number 1, we're going to develop the skills you need. Look, training isn't something we did, it's something we do relentlessly to create continuous improvement in our dealerships. Number 2, inspire action. When we're having fun and competing, learning translates into action and action translates into results. And number 3, retain talent. Learn to work with your people to make them so good and successful they can't afford to leave your dealership.
I think what's unique about Tim Kintz's approach, opposed to the other seminars that I've been to throughout the years, is that his approach is for now. It's happening in today's time.
This course is meant for sales managers and trainers who want to create a culture of continuous improvement in their organization. And this isn't for the faint at heart, so warning to all you. Man, if you're faint at heart, if you don't like getting up in front of people, don't show up. This is a do shop, not a workshop. It's comprised of education, role plays, drills, practices, and applications to transform a great sales manager into a great sales trainer.
Training is fundamental. Without training, there's no reason to do anything else. You can spend as much money as you want on advertising and anything else that you think is pretty, but training is the fundamental. That's the core to your success as a dealership.
And we'll break down the training actions and activities for setting up a successful year, quarter, month, and every day by using the coach's playbook and the sales professional's playbook. So if you're ready to take your training skills to the next level and get massive results, I'll see you there.